Lapor ke Patisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka court admission nak benta ke nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu dah ke Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's 4% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply dah ke education loan.
Lagi cas jangan.
Hah?
Lagi cas jangan dipeluk. Saya nak peluk cas nak. Ikan mati polis kini dan ketilang hang ni. Bang mentang ayo i. Apa ni yang supporter bani daya kriyo jom. Kini gini. Ha? Baik, ikan. Ikan wala pendiap ini, watop ini. Ikrele.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.